Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the headrest on a Dodge Caravan. Locate the release buttons at the base and press them while pulling straight up. If the headrest resists, depress the plastic collar or press the hidden pin while lifting. For corroded posts, apply penetrating oil and wiggle gently as you lift. Protect upholstery with a towel and store the headrest safely after removal. Before you start, gather tools like a flat screwdriver, pick, and penetrating oil to ease stuck posts. Wear gloves to protect hands and safety glasses for eye protection. Recline the seat slightly to access the headrest base comfortably and avoid pinching upholstery. Keep small containers for pins or clips so nothing gets lost. Use a flashlight to inspect hidden release mechanisms before forcing anything. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future guides. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you handle money and free up resources for repairs. I found its principles useful when budgeting for car maintenance and parts. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When headrest posts are corroded, apply penetrating oil and let it soak to loosen corrosion. Tap the post base gently with a rubber mallet while pulling upward to free stubborn fits. If plastic collars block removal, compress the collar with a small pick and press the hidden release pin. As a last resort, remove the seat from the vehicle for better leverage or take it to a shop. Document the process for future reference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.